Coming up on this program, we show you how to get connected. Find out how to choose an internet service provider. Discover the newest form of communication, electronic mail.
Ways down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, and holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing. If you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for
Whoops, I'm forgetting to hit buttons. It's Labor Day and all. So I apologize. I didn't dress up for us. I have been lounging around the house enjoying Labor Day, but I do have a weird superstition. I like, oh, rendering me momentarily speechless, Viking Web Productions. Long time no see, buddy. What is going on? I was just about to say I find it terrible luck not to make any money on the first of the month. There's just something about that to me, that you gotta start your month off with a bang, running, going. And that might just be the hustler in me. But anyways, I digress. I did have a bit of a lounge day today because there was no real live court going on. So I went back through a few channels. I did a few things. And I found some stuff for us to watch, don't you worry. But I am so glad that you're here. I want to remind you that the points have been reset in the room recently. We are at a new turning point. Viking, how are you? It's so nice to see you. I love it when people show up out of the blue. And when they've been gone for a while, you're always welcome. I am drinking my energy drink of the day. We're going to start our day to, like, my roots need a retouch. Are you fucking kidding? I can't need a retouch. It's been 2 weeks. It's not gonna happen. It's probably how I parted it, but regardless, that's not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. Anyways, I love it still. Still looks fucking great. Anyway, I love you guys. So let's watch some court while we're at it. Yeah, look at those points. Everybody's got room to grow. Just as a reminder, gambling is bad. It's a bad habit. It's filthy. It's a filthy habit. So you might find that it's difficult to win. Shocking. Hi, Courtney. It's difficult to win gambling. Funny, but you do get points for chatting. You're luring. Please don't lure people, Courtney. We've talked about this. Only lure the willing, and I know that takes a lot of the fun out of it. I know, but if you can just suspend reality for a moment, luring the willing is also good. Okay? I love you so much. Okay, let's get through starting to watch the video. That's right. Guys in the truck? Guys in the truck! Oh, I'm yelling and getting absolutely no response because there are no guys in the truck around here. I wish. I would probably fuck them. Whoops. Just being honest. I'm just being honest. Anyways, I found this weird little 10-minute clip, so let's watch it.
Morning, everybody, and welcome to Small Claims Court.
Oh, it says fucking TPO
All
court.
right, first thing I'm going to do this morning is find out who's here.
I think. It does. It definitely says Thurston County District Court's Civil Protection Order calendar. Don't you see it? You do see it right over here. Lies, Judge. But let's watch.
After I find out who's here, then I'm going to explain to you about our dispute resolution process. We have
Oh, never mind. Don't worry. There's nothing good. I watched it. Guess what? They all resolve their disputes amicably. Ugh. Gross. We hate that. Can you stop that, please? Why on earth are you continually getting all your disputes handled without thinking of us? I'm not even sure you understand. We deserve to watch court. We deserve to be able to see your disputes out loud. So, oh my goodness, where did that last case go? It's right there, Paisley. I forgot. I was glad you can't see. I was going through my downloads.
Okay, the party's on number 13.
Lucky number 13. Oh, can you hit the like, please? YouTube Daddy's been so into that lately. And it's the first of the month. And a like is free.
Okay, Dad's device is coming back. Here comes Mom's device. There we go. Okay, ma'am, there we go. Mom, Dad, if you both would raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you both. You can put your hands down. Go ahead, Mr. Dinnerand. This is number 13.
Thank you, Honor. Your Honor, the state filed a suit to confirm arrears and for modification of child support, and the parties have reached an agreement, a partial agreement on the arrears. And I'll go ahead and read into the court's record the agreed parts, Your Honor. The parties have agreed to the child support arrears judgment being $7,746.79 as of July 31st, 2025, with a payout of $89 per month beginning September 1st, 2025, and a medical support arrears judgment of $1,084.16 with a payout of $55 per month beginning September 1st, a dental support arrears judgment of $915.42 as of July 31st, 2025, with a payout of $55 per month. The parties have also agreed that there would be no non-disclosure. The parties are not in agreement to child support, and court costs have not been addressed, Your Honor. May I proceed, Your Honor?
Yes.
The state calls the dad. Dad, did you hear? Please state your name for the record.
Levi Andrew.
AKA Dad. Dad, please state your name. Sorry, I'm not trying to make fun of her. And a lot of AGs call them Dad and Mom, but I'm laughing. Also, trying out different hairstyles. Oh my gosh. Do we like my hair better up or down? That's the next thing we have to address. Objectively, do I look hotter with it up or down?
Did you hear the portion that I read into the court's record?
Yes.
Is that the extent of your agreement?
Yes.
Pass the witness, Your Honor. The state calls the mom. Mom, please state your name for the record.
Carly Ann.
Look at Naybell. Thank you, my dear. I hope your pregnancy is going so great. And also, thank you. I'm snapping my own hair out. Oh my god. First of all, nobody likes the other hair better. News now. It's not possible. No possible. Secondly, thank you for Naybell and Babybell for making me $2 on the first of the month. That's good luck. It's like when you get a wallet and you get money in it, it's really good luck. I believe in that. That's why I'm serious. Like, I easily could have been like, you know what? I'm going to take the day off. I was a lazy little bitch today. But instead, I came through and so did Naybell. Thank you. Thank you. Now, what are they fighting about? I sort of forgot to pay attention. Whoops.
Andrew?
And did you hear the agreement that I read into the court's record?
Yes.
And is that the extent of your agreement?
Yes.
You now go to the child support. The state has proposed, Your Honor, has calculated guideline child support at $574 per month. And the parties are not in agreement to that. The state calls the dad. Dad, did I let you know that guideline child support was calculated at $574 based on your income?
Yes.
Did you provide proof of your income to me?
Yes.
And is it correct that you received $4,423.94? That's your gross income per month. Is that correct?
Yes.
And did you also let me know that you have 2 children not before the court?
Correct.
Did you provide a DNA test result to me showing that you are the dad of the new baby?
Yes.
And are you in agreement to that amount proposed by the state?
Yes.
And did I let you know that the $75 for medical support and the $63.26 for dental in the previous order remains the same, remains unchanged?
Yes.
Your Honor, I pass the witness. The state calls the mom. Mom, did you hear that which I proposed as the current child support?
Yes.
Are you in agreement with that?
No.
Do you have any evidence of income that's going to be contrary to what he has provided?
The only information or documents that I have, which I have provided, was a offer letter from when he worked at Ultima Diagnostics, and then I also had submitted documentation where his previous employer had actually reached out to me. And
Mom, stop. So do you have any documentation that has to do with Dad's income this month or last month or a month very close in time to today?
not for his current employer, no.
Do you have anything that you want me to look at regarding prior employment?
Yes.
Okay. And can you tell me from the exhibits that you provided to this court, did you give those to Dad?
He has those documents.
Did you provide them to Dad prior to this hearing?
No, he got those. It was his offer letter, so he had received that personally.
Mrs. Dinaran, did y'all go over the exhibits?
I don't have those exhibits. I have one exhibit, one long exhibit, and I went over that with mom.
There's many exhibits. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I believe, on the first email and one on the second email.
I only have one that has child support court hearing, and I went over that with her. No other attachments.
Okay, I believe Mr. Wright may have sent them to you. I asked him earlier to make sure that you received them all. Mom, of the exhibits here, what is it named in your email?
In my email, the documents that I sent you, what are they named?
Yes, which document is it that you want me to look at regarding his prior employment?
The Ultima offer letter and then just emails
Wait,
from
what?
his previous
No,
employer.
what is it called? Because you've got 5 different items in this one email and they all have different names. Or they've got different JPEG numbers.
Okay, the first one is Ultima offer letter.
It doesn't say that on the thing. What's the JPEG number?
Let me see if I could see it.
Said nobody ever. What's the
Or is it a
JPEG
PDF?
number?
There are 2 PDFs.
Oh, the Judge, PDF means something
It's a
different here.
PDF.
Yeah, I
Okay.
told you it means something different. Gross. Please stop talking
Okay,
about
so
that.
Mom, this document, this PDF document that you have here, how did you get this document?
That document was sent to me by Levi a
Okay.
couple years ago. Yeah.
Okay. Did you find it, Mr. Dinerian?
He's sending them, Your Honor.
So, okay, so Mom, this is from 2021.
Yeah, and it's
Okay, so Mom, that's not, I'm not looking for some job offer from 2021. I'm looking at what he's making right now or anything from a prior employer that you want me to take into account why I shouldn't take what he's making right now. So I'm not going to enter that document. So which other documents do you want me to look at?
the document that his employer sent me was the JPEG 3750.
And have you provided this to Dad?
No, that was sent directly to me. I haven't provided that to him.
Okay, so I'm not going to admit that. Okay, any other documents?
Let me see. I mean, the reason why I submitted that document was just to show that.
Okay, no, Mom, answer my question. Any other document you want me to look at?
Yeah,
If you did not provide that to Dad 24 hours prior to this hearing, I'm not entering it. I'm not looking at it and considering it in evidence.
okay. I have the document of the parent NPT parent relationship PDF.
And so is this a court order?
Yeah.
Okay, and for what purpose are you asking me to look at this document?
I'm showing that document to you, just showing because based off of Texas law, there's a section 153 or 154.123, which lists factors in regards to physical custody and managing, like sole managing conservatorship. And since I am awarded sole managing conservatorship.
Did she just drop the family code? Texas Family Code Section 153 states, speaking their language a little bit here. Wow. Also, does my new lipstick look the same as on the lip as it does here? I think it does. Does anybody want to guess what this color is called? Go ahead and get a guess in to what this color is called. Yeah.
and have full physical custody of our child, they said that we can go ahead and bring to the court to list factors and put into consideration in regards to child support and payments because of the amount of responsibility on me versus him as a parent not being present.
Okay, so, but you haven't filed anything regarding that. All we've got before me is what the Attorney General's office filed to modify his child support and confirm any arrears.
Sorry, it froze.
Okay, so you haven't filed anything for me to do anything different. The only pleadings I have before me is what the Attorney General filed.
I'm sorry, it froze. I couldn't hear you.
There's no filter
Okay.
on
The
anymore.
only thing that's been before
This is
me is
Paisley.
the only thing filed with the court at this time
Unfiltered.
is what the Attorney General filed. You haven't filed anything else, correct?
What do you mean what the Attorney General filed?
The pleadings that they filed.
I had filed about the arrears, but that's what I filed. I don't know what you're talking about.
So, but do you mean that you applied with the Attorney General's office?
Yeah, I had
Okay,
sent
that
this
so
months ago.
that doesn't have anything to do with the court.
Hi,
Okay, go
Billy.
ahead, Mr. Dinaran.
Doesn't have anything to do with the court, ma'am. Also,
Mom,
it's
do you
called
have
lover.
any
Lover.
other reason why you do not agree to the proposed child support?
I mean, the only reason why I don't agree is just based off solely that he had underemployed and he quit his last job, and I have more physical and financial responsibility of our child, meaning I see him all the time and he doesn't see his child or speak to his child. And there's a lot of other factors in regards to taking care of our child, and I don't believe that there should be that significant of a decrease in child support when he's not a present father figure.
You're not a pastor witness.
Accept and approve the portions of the agreement that the parties have agreed to, which is the judgments on the child support, medical support, and dental support, the payouts as presented by Ms. Dinaran and agreed to by the parties, child support payback at $89 a month beginning September 1st, medical of $55 a month beginning September 1st, and dental support of $55 also to begin September 1st. The modified child support amount of $534 to begin September 1st. Dad to pay court costs. I'm sorry, Mrs. Dinaran, who would the state, if anybody, would you be requesting to pay court cost?
Your Honor, sorry, it was 574, not 534.
Oh, thank you.
Child
574. Okay, thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Is the state asking for court costs from anyone? And if so, who?
Maybe no one, Your Honor.
Okay, then I'll
Yeah,
waive
not
the court
me,
costs.
not
Very
me.
good. Okay, so Mom, Dad, I'm going to ask Mr. Dinaran to draft up the order that will include the parts that you guys agreed to, plus the child support part that I'm ordering, 574 beginning September 1st, waive the court cost. She'll get it to me. Once I sign it, the Attorney General's office will get you both a copy, okay?
Okay.
Thank you both. You're free to go. Just hit that button that says leave or leave meeting. Thank you.
Oh man, that didn't take as long as I thought it would. Contractually, we have to watch another case. Because that's just the way that is. I mean, it's just the way it is. That's just the way it is. Doodaloo, doodaloo, doodaloo. Things will never be the same. Hold on, I gotta look back in my archive hoard. You know what it is. They're not being really tight, John. I'm used to reading it. It's because, y'all don't have a lot to bet. You don't have a lot to bet because I reset the points. If you want to know how many points you have, !points will tell you. Okay. You guys think about that while I think about... That seems long. That seems excessively long. When did you do that, Paisley? Ugh, I hate this judge. No, not this one. Ugh. I guess this one? I don't know. Fine. It might end abruptly. It might end abruptly. We'll see. What can you do with the points? Nothing. They're completely arbitrary. But you can fondle them. I like to fondle. Not points, though. I am not exactly interested in fondling points. Did I even start the video? Paisley! Okay, apparently this is not a good representation of Paisley's videomanship, if that's what we even call it. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Back to this.
The mom on number 4.
No, I am a mom of 1, not 4. 1. Who I'm having dinner with. We want to have a nice dinner out before school
Okay, this will
starts
be number
tomorrow.
4. Okay, Miss Palmer, if you'll unmute your device and raise your right hand.
Mm.
Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. You put your hand down. Go ahead, Miss Simmons.
All right, so Judge, we're here today on a petition to establish the parent-child relationship. We have been here a few times. The father was properly served back on January 27th. And I do see that the notice was sent out to the father of today's hearing on July 1st, 2025. Dad has not filed an answer in this case, and the state is asking to proceed on a default today.
Okay.
May I call my first witness?
Yes.
All right, so I will call Ms. Dynasty Palmer.
Yes.
All right. So, Ms. Palmer, can you please state the name of the child we're here for today?
Tristan Jerome Miller.
And how old is Tristan?
He's 2, fixing to be 3, September 12th.
All right. And did the court previously order you and the father to go to DNA testing in this case?
Yes.
All right. Did you take the child for DNA testing?
Yes.
And are you aware that we do not have any DNA results yet in this case?
Mm-hmm.
All right. However, are you asking that the court proceed?
Stop. Mom, you have to say yes or no.
Yes.
No. However, are you asking that the
Okay,
court
stop. Hold on, Miss Simmons. Mom, do you have another adult in the household who can
No,
help you
that's
with the
Tristan.
children?
That's Tristan talking. Yes, 1 second.
Jesus Christ, ma'am. I'm out here looking for my vape, and you're out here fucking my breakup. Ma'am, you need to not bring your kid to court. That messes my whole vibe. Lady? Also, the look I'm going for today is workout chic. And I think I'm achieving it. Like, I feel like I look like I've either worked out or just got fucked. Your guess is as good as mine.
We're getting some
what, Judge?
assistance with the child or children. Mr. Dinaran, what are we doing on 3?
Yeah, no, can we have a reset date? Dad needs to bring in more financial information.
Okay, let's see. How long do you need?
About a month or 2, a
Okay,
month
we can
maximum.
Okay, let's do 9:30 at 2:30.
Was that 9:30?
September the 30th at 2:30.
Okay,
Okay, thank you.
thank you.
Okay, then, and then we're back on the record on number 4. Miss Simmons, go ahead.
So, Ms. Palmer, are you asking the court today to proceed with naming Mr. Miller the father of this child?
Yes.
All right. And so let me ask you a couple questions about that. Ms. Palmer, have you ever been married to anybody before this?
No.
Did you ever indicate to Mr. Palmer that
Counsel, have you gone through your default checklist?
Bruh, Judge, rude.
Let me ask you this. Ms. Palmer, do you have any indication that Mr. Miller's ever been in the military?
No.
No, okay. Judge, I believe I've met all the requirements for the default. We have a return of service on file. We sent notice out to father.
And how would the court know you sent notice out to father?
That not sent to the court prior to this.
You've not entered any exhibits, counsel.
Oh, my apologies, Judge.
Judge teaching. Hi, Casey Carey. Did you enter any exhibits before you
Judge,
arrived?
at this time, I would like to offer what's been previously marked as 04 Miller NCP hearing notice for 8/26/2025.
Admit it.
Thank you, Judge. May I proceed?
Yes.
Thank you. So, Ms. Miller, have you ever held out, I'm sorry, Ms. Palmer, have you ever held out to anybody that anybody besides Mr. Miller could be the father?
No.
When did Mr. Palmer first become aware that he was the father's child, or that he could be the father's child?
He knew, well, he said he was the father the day that I told him, which was January 21st, because I conceived Tristan January 14th.
And when you say January 21st, what year?
2022.
Hold on.
Okay.
Did she just
And
say
when
that?
was Tristan
Hold
born?
on! Stop. I'm not supposed to yell so much. Oh, we're going to get a stomping through. But are you telling me that she knew she conceived within 7 days? Ma'am, that's not how that works. I'm going to get in trouble.
September 12th, 2022.
All right. And have you ever held anybody else out to be the father of this child?
No.
All right. And Miss Palmer, who does Tristan primarily live with?
He primarily lives with me.
All right. And did me and you discuss the different types of conservatorship available in the state of Texas?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. But are you asking the court to name you and the father joint managing conservators?
Yes.
And are you asking that you be named the primary conservator?
Yes.
And did me and you also discuss a geographic restriction in this case of Ellis County and contiguous counties?
Yes.
And are you asking the court go ahead and institute a geographic restriction to Ellis and contiguous counties?
Yes.
And Ms. Palmer, when is the last time Mr. Miller has seen the child?
In 2023.
All right. And throughout Tristan's life, how many times would you say Mr. Miller has seen the child?
Roughly 10 times.
10 times. All right. So did me and you discuss potentially having the court order what's called a step up in visitation?
Yes.
So let me back up a little bit and ask you this. Does Tristan suffer from any disabilities?
Yes, he has a speech delay.
A speech delay, okay.
Yeah. He takes therapy twice a week.
All right, so we discussed potentially having the court order that dad provides you with 2 weeks notice of any intention to exercise visitation.
Yes.
And did we talk about that being because dad has not shown any interest recently in visiting with the child?
Yes.
Right. So we discussed that if the court were to order visitation, that you would prefer the court start with dad having visitation on the first, third, and fifth Saturday of each month from 10 to 2.
Yes.
And did we discuss potentially having the court order dad complete 6 visits at that schedule before proceeding to the next step?
Yes.
And did we discuss that hopefully the court will order that the next step will be the first, third, and fifth Saturday and Sunday of each month from 10 to 4?
Yes.
And did we discuss seeking that the court order that complete 4 visits at that schedule before proceeding to the next step?
Yes.
And did we discuss that once dad has completed those 4 visits that the parties will then exercise the standard possession order for parties 50 miles or less apart?
Yes.
All right. And Ms. Palmer, how is the child covered for health insurance?
He's on Medicaid.
Okay. And are you aware of how many other children Mr. Miller has?
Yes.
How many other children does he have?
3.
3, okay. Let me see. And do you know if the father is working?
Yes, he's working.
Okay. Did we discuss that we don't have any current documentation to support that he's working?
Yes.
Okay, and so did we discuss potentially setting child support based on minimum wage today?
Yes.
And did we calculate that child support giving dad credit for his 3 other children should be $167 a month?
Yes.
And did we discuss that would start September 1st?
Yes.
And did we also discuss that medical support would be $28 starting September 1st?
Yes.
All right. And so did we also discuss that when the father stops giving you any financial support for the child?
Yes.
All right. When did the dad stop giving you financial support for the child?
September of 2023.
And so did we talk about starting the retroactive child support calculation in October of 2023?
Yes.
That's like 2 years ago.
And so did we determine that from October 2023 to October 1st, 2023 to August 25th, 2025, that dad owes you $3,674 in back owed child support? I'm sorry, retroactive.
Yes.
Okay, hold on just a minute. Ma'am? So
Yes, ma'am.
you said there was another adult in the household to help you with the children. Could they be in a separate room?
Yes.
Jesus, ma'am. Also, cellulite yoga pants. I'll look into that. I don't know why it would be broken, except maybe you need to give less. Try giving 10. See if that works. Judge, you're so fed up, and I'm so hungry. I've only
Okay, so
drank calories
go ahead
today.
and re-ask your last question, counsel.
So Ms. Palmer, did we discuss setting the payout on that retroactive child support amount at $68 a month starting September 1st?
Yes.
And is that what you're asking the court to order today?
Yes.
And are you in agreement to having your address be in this court order today?
Yes.
And do you think if the court accepts this order as we discussed that it would be in the child's best interest today?
Yes.
All right, I'll go ahead and pass the witness, Judge.
Okay, very good. Then I'm going to order that Mr. Miller is the father of this child. The parties will be joint managing conservators, with mom being the primary joint managing conservator with the residency restriction to Ellis and contiguous counties as long as dad lives in one of those counties. Dad to give 2 weeks written notice of his intent to start the visits. So mom, only to begin the visits, he'll give you written notice. Then after that, he does not need to give you notice once he starts the visits.
Okay.
He'll start off with visitation first, third, and fifth Saturday of the month, 10 to 2, pick up and drop off at mom's home. Once the visitation has been completed 6 times, then dad will have standard visitation for parties that live under 50 miles. Dad to pay child support of $167 beginning September 1st, medical reimbursement of to the state of $28 beginning September 1st, retroactive support in the amount of $3,674 to be paid back at $68 a month beginning September 1st. Dad to pay court cost as billed within 1 year if billed by Ellis County. Mom, I'm gonna ask Ms. Simmons to draft up that order and send it to me. Once I
Okay.
get it, I'll sign off on it and the AG's office will send you a copy, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you both. Thank you. You're free to go, ma'am. You just hit that.
You know what? That is actually the end of our time because at 38 minutes at time and a half, we're over an hour. Back to the kitchen. Loaded Wrench 14. I recognize the picture, but not the name. YouTube Daddy. Still fucking with our channel a little bit. Thank you guys for being here. We'll be back tomorrow. I'm gonna have such fun at dinner. I don't know what I'm gonna have, but I have an idea. I got some really good inspiration today. Who's on tonight? Probably somebody. What is going on? Discord going wild. I haven't even had a chance to look. I'm gonna have to go look at Discord, I guess. Anyways, I hope that you guys have a wonderful evening. I'm gonna get my steps up. I need to hit at least 10,000, but I want to hit 12. So maybe I'll walk my ass down to the mall which isn't open because it's Labor Day. So I would walk there and be sad. All right, we'll rethink this through. Thank you guys so much for being here. Viking, so nice to see you. I appreciate if somebody won the fucking Powerball and I didn't see it today. Hashtag disappointed. Anyways, do me a favor. Remember that I love you. You. I love you. And I'm proud of you. And I'll see you in the next video.